Hello everybody, today we make a sausage and pepper sandwich. And I got all the ingredients right over here in front of me. And look how beautiful look everything. We got the Italian hot sausage. I gotta use garlic. I got a sweet red pepper. And don't forget, Pasquale, my oil baby. And I got onion. And I got my Italian bread. This, it come from Brooklyn. Okay, now I was chop already this, but I want to show everybody I got one more to chop, and we chop like this. But when you chop, make sure your finger, okay? I show all the time the finger the way I use. But everybody use the finger like you want, but watch. And you chop like this. And I gotta finish the chop this onion all the time, slice a small piece like that. Okay, now we do the garlic. And the garlic, you know, gotta be chopped really thin. I squeeze like this, I chop, you know. You see, when it's the garlic fresh, it fly away from me. Okay. And we put right on this monkey dish. Okay, now we do the pepper. A quarter and a half. We clean up inside. You don't need too much time, you know, you can do fast like this. So 1, 2, quarter and a half, another half, and you slice the way you want. First in Italy we was do like this. Like that, after you another chop, you go. Okay, you see how fast? But watch your finger. And now we gotta chop my oil baby. Oil baby, it's right over here. And now we do the same thing. Everybody say, watch, chop a little bit and go. Now you take it out of this over here, you throw away, quarter and a half. We take the seeds out a little bit, like that. And after, you put like this, and you go. Watch your finger. Ooh. Watch my nose. Boy, it's a spice hot, my oil baby. Let's mix it together with the red. Oh, look how beautiful look. Bianco, rosso e verde. A bandiera italiana. Bianco, rosso e verde. Okay, now, we start with the sausage. I put the gas on. And for the sausage, I put only a little drop of oil. Because the sausage, it's fat. And I do only like this a little bit. Now, for the sausage, make sure that do, you know, with the fork, do like this, like I do, look. Okay, when you cook, you know, splash all over the place. The fat, it come out for this little hole. And you put right over here on this part. Same thing when you do dry sausage in Italy. When we was do dry sausage, all the sausage we was do like this. When it started dry, all the fat it was coming down. Now this what I gotta do. I gotta make a nice beautiful color after I take it out. Okay, now we turn to the other side of the sausage. You see a beautiful color already? And now we leave it stay. Do on the other side like the same way I did this. And we leave it stay another couple of 2 or 3 minutes like that, and we make the color the same, and we take it out. Okay, now the sausage is nice, it come out, everything, and now we take it out, and I put it right on this dish over here. And see, when you make the whole of the sausage, you see the fat? Not throw away this fat. This it's all good stuff. And we gotta saute everything inside and now the onion, the garlic, everything. And now it's a time we gotta put the onion. And we put the onion right over here first. And I gotta put the garlic too. But what we need a little extra oil. Can I got a lot of onion, garlic, and I got a lot of pepper. And we put, cause that one, the oil, the fat, it was inside, it's not enough. We gotta put extra one. And now, we saute this little bit. Look, it changed color already. And we leave it stay a little bit more, the cook. And after we gotta put the pepper. Now, the onion, the garlic, look how beautiful look. And now look at the pepper. Look how many over here. Oh yeah, baby, sweet pepper. And we put all together now. And one time this start to cook the pepper a little bit, we gotta put the sausage back to cook it together. Oh, now it start to look beautiful. Now we gotta use a little salt. That's enough. And I want to use a little black pepper. Turn on this. Look how nice this one. I gotta make the sandwich. I remember when I was in Italy, I was working in Torino, and I have got my salad Orsara. It was take like maybe 9 hours to go. And one of the you stop a lot of station. A lot of people, you know, with the sandwich, sausage, ham, mortadella, everybody. They come on a train outside, they say, panini imbottiti, panini imbottiti. A lot of people inside of the train, take the panini. You know what he was doing? He make it believe it. He look at the money in the park, look at the guy run on the train, he said, the money. Goodbye. And the people, at the time he lose the money. But the panini imbottiti, he was sell a lot of panini. It's really good. Okay, now it started really, really good now. Look at that. See, the patsy was full, and now, a little bit at a time, it got down, and we gotta put back the sausage. All right, now it's time to put the sausage back, because the sausage still gotta cook. And we put the sausage back. Okay, now I want to make sure the sausage, it gotta be underneath the parts over here, and we put the pepper like this. Now we cover, and it gotta cook for 20 minutes. Okay, now I put the cover for 10 minutes, and now, okay, it looks so good. And we take the cover off, and we leave it cook now for maybe 10 more minutes with the no cover. You see the pepper already, it come out really good. Look at that. Okay, now everything is done, and let's take the sausage. Now you see you got a lot of liquid over here. So you can put on the bread and make it nice and soft. But I got this kind of a spoon. You can drain everything like I do. And you, like this. Look how beautiful looking at this. Oh, a nice bread. And let's taste it now. Add it to the sausage now. The sandwich so good. And what do you need? Nice cold beer. And I want to do salute e cincin to everybody. And this dish, it's really good for barbecue. Really coming up. Chin chin. Salute. Oh, really good. Miss Italy. sit in my city over there, small city, sit on the table at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. Nobody over there. Beautiful on the mound. Whew. Okay, we see next time. Thank you so much. Chin chin.